After compliments, we are speaking about this project execution cycle. This cycle starts from this client. Client is a decision maker to do this project. And this role of the owner is filling out the database and site ownership documents and data. He doing a base of data for the project and the site where they will be put, and follow up the plans with the consultants. He is following up the plan from the primary plan up to the final plans as required from the local authorities, and this can be with the consultant. Revise estimates and implementation documents or execution documents with consultants. The consultant put the estimates and these documents for execution for this project, and he has to revise this and see this and to know what inside these documents and plans. Signing for execution with contractors. When he finished, he has to sign these documents, execution documents with the contractors, and so that after contractor to be employed by the consultant. When we finish this information, he sends it to the objective and data information. All these can call it objective and data information coming here to the consultant. The consultant collect and analyze data from the client or clients and any other information and requirements, collect and analyze location data. All this information come to be analyzed by this consultant, and also that the site where he have to analyze that site because the information come from the client about that site where the project will be executed. Establishing relationship between core spaces, necessary services, and deriving the basic idea. This basic idea, this is we can call it conceptual design, or this is the concept of the design, so that when this information he combines that information from that analysis of it, and then go to another stage, is establishing this relationship between these accommodations, and some accommodation can be suggested as a service accommodation for this core accommodations, or the main accommodations of the project, and then he put the conceptual or basic idea as conceptual design. Developing the initial plans and developing them until the final, with the follow-up and approval of the owners. In this stage, the owner or the clients come here, so that he interact with the consultant to follow the design from the primary design up to the final design, following up and approve this design is okay with him, and so that this consultant estimates and preparation of documents. The consultant makes the estimates and the prepare the documents for this execution. This is agreement articles and conditions and standards and codes, and then bill of quantity to be filled by the contractors and to be compared with each competition the competition of the contractors for execution and follow-up, and follow up the execution on site. After he finishes the job, he sends these subjectives, permitted drawings and documents to the client, and send a permitted drawing and documents for contractors to fill and to put their offers. The contractor may have some inquiries about and explains about these documents and about the project. After they put their prices and content with these prices, they revise and study the documents and verify their sources and legality. When these permitted drawings and documents come to them, they have to revise perfectly and study the documents and verify if it is know its resources, if it is authorized and legally, so that to be and can sign this documents with them. And then the contractor estimates the resources required for the implementation of this new project and its impact on the commitments and ongoing work of other projects. This contractor may have some other projects, so that he have to study this new project, how it affects that and the other clients with him or not, and so that this is very important, not to fail to get this clauses and may impact or defect all his activities. Identify and manage the expected risks. He that to know the coming risk of this new project, and he have this risk may have many kinds. This can be environmental, can be delivery, or can be procurement risk, so that he has to put the alternatives of these risks and have to solve this. And violation and setting remunerative and competitive prices for all items and study their requirements. This contractor, he have to put a very good prices for him to be competitive and to be remunerative, and all this this is very important for him to have some profits and not to be go to these penalties and other things from this project. If he contends on the client and contractor sign this, when this contractor employed, he has to sign with the client all these things, and this is the final thing.